Welcome to the B2B Breakthrough Podcast. We're here to bring you all the best knowledge, insights, and strategies from e-commerce experts, successful business owners, and the team at Alibaba.com that you'll need to grow your business and achieve your next big breakthrough. I'm your host, Ciara Cristo.
One of the biggest things that we run into is that inventors depend on that patent or depend on the Patent and Trademark Office to be the patent police. And they're not. They say, we're patenting your idea, we're going to file this paperwork. And they don't realize that it's very costly to stop someone from copying you. If you're relying on your patent to stop someone, that's why I'm talking so much about branding and quality and pricing, because to stop someone from copying you with your patent is very costly. And it's upwards of $100,000 just to get started with a patent court thing. So to get that started is very costly. Whereas if you do it the right way and maintain and sell your product and keep a good price and good quality and try to stop those copycats without having to, put your patent as a shield, it is much easier in the long run. Now, of course, we have people that are going to copy your product. We already mentioned that. And several of my friends, even some really big toy manufacturers and guys that I know that are creating, toys and, even a gentleman that made water balloons that, I don't know if you ever saw the product, it fills up 100 balloons at the same time.
Oh yeah, I've seen that. Yeah.
So I won't mention his name, but, as soon as his product hit the market, he was copied and he had 3 patents. He really knew what he was doing. The patents were great. And it cost him over $30 million to go after this company that copied his product. He won. And he got $23 million back. And he won. So if I'm going to spend $30 million, I'm going to go on a beach in Tahiti because that's my money. So that's just an extreme, obviously, example. But you really have to think about your strategy if somebody copies you. Am I going to use the patent office and the federal courts to go after somebody? Or does it make sense just to beat them with price and quality and branding? Because again, a lot of people feel that if they have that patent, that's all they need. And it's just not true. Again, IP is important. I don't want to discourage people from getting it, but you can't use it as a shield. There's a lot more to a patent and a patent infringement case than people know.
Wow, that is a startling case study.
It's not the Patent and Trademark Office's fault. They do a great job. I know all the people at USPTO. It's just, the bad guys, they just find those gaps. They find those holes in the system and they try to beat you. So there's a lot of other ways to protect your idea. Again, IP is important, especially if you're going to license or sell your idea down the road. You want to have that IP, intellectual property. You just want to have that, but don't rely on it is what I mean.
B2B Breakthrough is produced by Alibaba.com. To find out how Alibaba.com is empowering its customers with the tools, services, and resources they need to grow their business, visit Alibaba.com. And then make sure to search for B2B Breakthrough on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you find your podcasts. Make sure to follow us so you don't miss future episodes. On behalf of the team here at Alibaba.com, thanks for listening.